Today, we're diving into a topic that's a bit more serious but crucial for a healthy relationship. If the woman you're with is expressing certain things,
I don't love you anymore.
it might be a sign that it's time to have an honest conversation about the future of your relationship. So, grab a seat, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now, before we jump into the list, remember that communication is key in any relationship. These signs are not set in stone, and every situation is unique. But if you find yourself hearing these phrases more often than not, it might be time to reassess. 1. I need space.
All I know is that I need a space.
We all need our alone time, but if she's constantly asking for space and pulling away, it could be a sign of deeper issues. It's essential to understand the reasons behind this request and address them together. 2. I don't see a future for us.
But I just don't see this having a future.
When someone expresses doubts about the future of the relationship, it's a red flag. Open up a dialogue about her concerns and yours, and see if you both are on the same page regarding your long-term goals. 3. I need to focus on myself right now.
I just need to focus on myself.
Individual growth is crucial, but if she consistently prioritizes her personal journey over the relationship, it might indicate a lack of commitment. Discuss how you can support each other's personal development while still nurturing the relationship. 4. I'm not sure if I love you anymore.
I don't love you anymore.
Although love can change, if she's doubting her feelings on a regular basis, it's time to have an open discussion. Inquire about her worries and emotions and express your own. 5. We're just too different.
We are not working. We are too different.
Differences can be enriching, but if she sees them as insurmountable obstacles, it might be a signal that the relationship is not meeting her needs. Discuss the positives of your differences and find common ground. 6. I need someone more, insert quality.
Just not the right fit.
If she's consistently comparing you to an idealized version of a partner, it could indicate dissatisfaction. Explore what qualities she's looking for and whether compromise is possible. 7. I don't see myself settling down anytime soon.
Okay, settle down, settle down.
Make sure your long-term goals coincide if she doesn't anticipate marriage, a family, or commitment in the near future. If they don't, it could be time to reassess the partnership. 8. I think we should take a break.
Maybe we should take a break.
While taking a vacation can be a wise move if it starts to happen frequently or is used as a justification for not dealing with difficulties, it may indicate that more serious issues need to be addressed. Recall that the secret to any good relationship is communication. It's time to discuss your sentiments and worries with your partner in an honest and open manner if you hear these words. To create a strong, long-lasting connection, make sure you're on the same page. Relationships involve work and understanding from both parties. We appreciate your time, and remember to leave comments below with your opinions and to like and subscribe. Until we speak again, be careful.